quiet, and incredibly smart. The PAC EX360 evenly and efficiently lowers room temperature. Cool Surround Smart Sensing feature monitors temperature and humidity around the unit and the remote, adjusting automatically to maintain the set temperature around you. Cool and dehumidify without disruption, and save energy up to 30% with Eco Real Feel.
It is powered by a battery. It is driven by a true rotary compressor. It is the world's most revolutionary portable air conditioner. It is the Zero Breeze Mark II. In 2014, we conceived the idea of making a true battery-powered portable air conditioner. The technical challenges were massive, and it was considered almost impossible. But in 2016, we turned that into reality. With the help of more than 4,000 supporters around the world, we managed to raise over $1.6 million for the original Zero Breeze. It set our ambitious journey since then. Now, after 3 years of intense R&D, we're back with a more powerful, completely redesigned Zero Breeze Mark II to change the game again. The Mark II has major upgrades applied inside and out. With our more powerful patented 24-volt sine wave frequency controlled rotary compressor, the cooling power gets a 200% boost. The outlet temperature may now drop up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit within 10 minutes. The Mark II is also attired with an all-new dual hose design. With the newly equipped centrifugal fan, both the front and rear outlet have received a significant efficiency lift. The isolation circulatory system between indoor and outdoor air cools twice as fast, but 40% more efficient. Zero Breeze Mark II has also expanded its features. With the newly added sleep mode, it keeps monitoring the surrounding temperature and it keeps you in a comfortable temperature all the time. On a hot and humid summer day out, dehumidifying is as important as cooling. We've added a dedicated dehumidifier mode this time. With the combination of both, you can always stay cool and dry. We've also redesigned the battery. It can be attached to the main unit in seconds. With a whopping 630 watt-hour capacity, it may keep the Zero Breeze Mark II going for 3 to 5 hours or the entire night if sleep mode is activated. The battery is now equipped with 2 USB Type-A, a 12-volt DC, and a new Type-C at the front. Your phone, laptop, and other devices are all covered. In the past 3 years, we've kept listening, researching, and improving, and we sincerely thank you for your trust, your patience, passion, and feedback. At this stage, Zero Breeze Mark II is ready to produce. This time, we are working with one of the world's most advanced AC manufacturers to bring you the world's best portable battery-powered AC. Since its incarnation, it has overcome countless doubts and obstacles, and it has since become more powerful, more efficient, and more user-friendly. And it is Zero Breeze Mark II. Thank you for supporting us. Together, we make the world a little cooler.
When the weather is hot, you need an efficient way to stay cool. SereneLife's portable air conditioners are your solution to staying comfortable when outside temperatures rise. A sleek, modern design is packed with an efficient cooling system that can go anywhere around the house, at the office, or even out in the garage. With remote control access, you can quickly and easily shift through modes of cooling, fan, and dehumidifier. Select your desired temperature without interrupting your relaxation. Smooth, rolling caster wheels allow for easy transport between rooms, so you can bring comfort to any area of the house. Simply roll to your desired location, easily install the windowsill, attach the flexible vent hose, and feel the cool breeze quietly generated just for you. Save energy by cooling only the spaces you need. Everyone knows cooler temperatures help you rest better, and with SereneLife's Portable AC, you no longer have to cool your entire home to get optimal sleep. With their super quiet operation and built-in swing vent function, you can enjoy a nice cool breeze all night long or while you're at work without any disturbing noises. The dehumidifier mode allows you to control moisture levels as well, making your air feel fresher by reducing the occurrence of allergens like dust mites and mildew. A built-in 24-hour timer allows you to set cooling times to your schedule. Everything you want in one space-saving unit. Make your spaces comfortable again with a portable air conditioner by SereneLife.